2002 Ford Crown Victoria, 4.6 liter V8. He's an Army veteran. We appreciate his service. This is what we got done on it for him. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory H-pipe. And he wanted them clamped. He didn't want them welded, the fronts, for some reason. We said, okay, as you wish. And then what we did is we welded the back for him. And what these mufflers are, THRUSH mufflers, turbo mufflers, part number 17704. He brought them in himself, as you can see, and we welded the back for him. Right there and right there. Then the factory tailpipe stayed the same, everything else stayed the same. And he's got factory resonators on it on each side, there and there. Car is really good shape for the year. He's had it for a very long time. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. Beautiful purplish blue, kind of. Actually dark blue, depending on how the sun hits it. Really nice car. Police Interceptor. So it's gonna sound good. Got factory 4 converters on these cars. 2 here, 2 there. Then a factory H-pipe there. Then it's true dualed after that. Then we took the 2 mufflers off and put you guys some FLOWMASTER Outlaws. Because, you know, why not? There and there. Then it's got factory tailpipes on each side, 2-inch. And we put some whopping 4-inch tips on it to finish out the look. Make them out really nice, really clean. Today's really windy, guys, so hope you guys can hear it well. Sorry about the wind. We got a muffle and everything on it, but I don't know if it's working. Anyways, there's the 2 mufflers that we cut off right there. That's what it looks like after. Hope you guys like it. Let us know what you think. It's not that much. Not too much louder. Right there. Right at 87. Again, Ford Crown Victoria. What do you think? It's not much louder. I thought it was going to be louder. You thought it was going to be louder too? But at least you can hear it a little bit now. All right, go ahead and back it up. We appreciate your service, sir. Let you guys hear on the inside. FLOWMASTER Outlaws. That sounds really nice. Your sound decibels? Let's see that smile. You like it? I don't know if he wants to be on the camera. If not, we'll cut it out. Again? That came out nice. Go ahead and back it up. Again? It's so windy, I'm trying to get close. Get on it! Yeah! Ford Crown Vic with FLOWMASTER Outlaws and 4-inch tips. Get on it! Yeah! That sounds really nice. It's clean.